There's a graveyard down there.
Welcome to Stagg on a Line, folks.
No, I'm just kidding. We've got a big fish working us. You want this one up?
Fight him hard. I think I'm horsing him straight up here. Till he gets to the hole.
Oh, this way.
There he goes.
Go. Ready. Nice. Hey, there's a Snapchat video from Nicole. Is it busy?
There we go. Nice Clearwater lake trout. Going back in the hole. See you later.
Oh.
There we go. Come here. Come here. Hook up. Oh boy. Oh boy. We are caught on the camera. Oh boy. Oh boy. I think he came up. Oh boy. Oh, holy man, look at that. You guys gotta see that later. Holy man. Just getting him past. Decent. Okay, folks, welcome to Master Minute. You're here with Stagg on the Line
And Nate's Baits.
Welcome. Show you today what we caught today's master on. This here is your simple little tip-up setup. We got a probably roughly around 10 foot, 8-pound fluorocarbon.
What would that be in meters then?
Oh, I'd have to get out my calculator for that one. But
2.5 for you metric people, ish.
Yeah.
Just smile and nod if you're not sure.
So what we did after that is we actually got the bait out here. Freshly caught from actually Lake Winnipeg, believe it or not. And what you do here is we just cut the head off, plain Jane. What we did is literally just hook it right into the back of the meat here. just to hide it in there. Basically, so it just falls right to the ground like that. Big old fishy comes up.
Feed me! So most of you are familiar with the tried and true tip up, which are very effective. But for some of us low budget, did I just say that out loud? For those of us who are looking for an alternative, we run with, instead of the tip up, we use the tape up. So what we use is some, it's actually electrical tape. Duct tape could be used, but that's way redneck.
Where can you buy?
Any good electrical store handles it. Black is preferred color for visibility. So the theory behind it is when the fish takes the bait and he runs with it, I have it on free spool and he can take it. I look out from the hut, tape is gone, fish is on. Just remember that mantra and you'll have no problems. Otherwise, if you leave it free spool, the fish can take all of your line and you don't know it. And that is a sad story. So, remember, tape gone,
fish gone,
fish on. And that has been your Master Minute.
Thank you for tuning in to Master Minute, and you're here with Stag on the line and
Nate's Baits.
So Nathan is over there catching a 40-incher, and I'm here dropping down the tip up. And so how this works is I'm just gonna step on that right there. See how well that hook is hidden? So then you go to set the hook, and just because it's just in the meat, that hook pops out so easy. Boom, you got him. Just toss her down. This is a long process getting it 80 feet down there. Today we're fishing in 80 feet of water.
Stag on the line. What have you been fighting him for, like 5 minutes now?
Yeah, when he goes, he just wants to go.
Rope burn. Oh, we are at the hole, folks. If I drop your camera, will you forgive me? Hey, try not to get your head in the way. Like, there's people at home watching. Okay, folks, I'm gonna submerge my arm down into the hole below the ice so y'all can see what's going on. Hey, cool reflection.
Hi, Mom.
I don't even think there's a fish on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Look at that. Look at it. Get up here, buddy. Get up here, buddy. I don't want to yank on him. Here it comes. Okay, there we go, folks. Look at that.